Do you believe you can do keyword research, find blog titles, and write 100 blog articles in just 60 minutes? Sounds absolutely crazy, right? But in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, step by step, using AI tools like ChatGPT. We'll go from 0 to 100 draft blog articles, and you can follow along using the same prompts. The first step is keyword research. You need about 100 solid keywords to turn into blog topics. Head over to your favorite keyword tool. Google Keyword Planner, Ubersuggest, or Ahrefs are some popular options. Personally, I prefer Google Keyword Planner. To use Google Keyword Planner, first you need to log in to your Google Ads account. When you log in, you will see an interface like this. In here, select the Tools option. That's where you can find the Keyword Planner tool. Under the Planning section, you can find Keyword Planner. When you click that, you get these three options: discover new keywords, get search volume and forecasts, and organize keywords into ad groups. There, you need to select the Discover New Keywords option. Now you need to type in a seed keyword. For example, let's try digital marketing service. Type digital marketing services in the space here, and click Get Results. You will now receive information about the seed keyword you provided. You can check the average monthly searches, 3-month change, keyword competition, and more. You will now receive information about the seed keyword you provided. You can check the average monthly searches, 3-month change, keyword competition, and more. When you scroll down, you can see many keyword ideas related to the seed keyword you provided. You'll see hundreds of suggestions like digital marketing agency, digital marketing consultant, or digital marketing for beginners. You don't have to overthink it. Just choose around 100 keywords that are relevant to your niche. Now you can copy these keywords from the Keyword Planner. That's it. You're ready for step 2. Now we'll use AI to generate catchy, SEO-friendly blog titles in bulk. Here's the prompt you can copy and paste into ChatGPT. I have these keywords. Please generate 100 catchy SEO blog titles for each keyword. Output in a table. Now paste 100 keywords, and ChatGPT will instantly give you 100 creative titles. See? We already have a list of 100 blog titles ready to go. Now comes the exciting part, writing the actual articles. This is where AI does the heavy lifting. We'll use a structured prompt to make sure each post follows a proper format. Writing the 100 articles at once could be overwhelming for ChatGPT. So we are going to write 2 articles at once. Here is the prompt. Write 500-word SEO-friendly blog posts based on the 2 titles I provide in this prompt. Include an introduction, headings with paragraphs, and a conclusion with a call to action for all the blogs. Use a friendly, conversational tone. When you hit enter, ChatGPT generates complete blog posts quickly. I will use a stopwatch to measure how long ChatGPT take to write the 2 articles. As you can see, it took 55 seconds to write 2 articles. So in about 40 to 45 minutes, you can finish writing the 100 blog articles. Before you publish, spend a few minutes checking grammar, readability, and accuracy. You can ask ChatGPT to proofread your articles too. Just copy your article and add this prompt. Proofread this blog post and fix grammar or clarity issues. Within seconds, it'll return a polished version. We just created 100 blog articles in 60 minutes using AI. From keyword research to titles to full posts, all automated with AI. Let's quickly talk about why using AI for blog generation is such a game changer. With AI tools like ChatGPT, you can create blog content faster, cheaper, and more consistently than ever before. Here are a few quick benefits. First, speed. AI can generate a full blog post in seconds, saving you hours of writing time. Second, cost efficiency. You don't need a big writing team to produce large volumes of content. Third, idea generation. AI can come up with endless blog topics, catchy titles, and outlines for any keyword. Fourth, consistency. Every article follows a similar tone and structure, which helps your brand look professional. And finally, scalability. You can easily create 50 or even 100 posts, perfect for growing fast. So in short, AI helps you write smarter, not harder. It boosts your productivity, keeps your content pipeline full, and gives you more time to focus on strategy. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and drop a comment if you want the exact prompts I used. Thank you for watching until the end. Your support means the world to us. See you again in another helpful tutorial.